Introduction. For decades, the Dodge Charger has been a symbol of raw American muscle, powered by roaring V8 engines and built for drivers who love speed and performance. But now, everything is changing. Meet the all-new 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV, the next generation of American muscle. It's bold, powerful, and fully electric. While many enthusiasts were surprised to see Dodge move away from traditional gasoline engines, the Charger Daytona EV proves that electric performance can still deliver thrilling acceleration and an exciting driving experience. With up to 670 horsepower in the Scat Pack model, advanced all-wheel drive, cutting-edge technology, and an aggressive new design, this electric muscle car is built to compete with some of the fastest performance vehicles on the road. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV, including its exterior design, interior, electric performance, driving experience, range, charging, pricing, and whether it's worth buying. So, if you love American muscle cars and want to see what the future looks like, make sure to like this video, subscribe to CarZone, and let's get started. Interior design. The 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV features a bold and aggressive design that stays true to its legendary muscle car heritage while embracing the future of electric performance. At the front, the Charger introduces Dodge's innovative R-Wing aerodynamic pass-through design. This unique feature improves airflow, increases downforce, and gives the car a distinctive appearance unlike any previous Charger. The slim LED headlights, illuminated Dodge Fratzog logo, and wide front grille create an intimidating road presence. Every angle of the car has been carefully designed to combine classic muscle car styling with modern aerodynamics. From the side, the Charger Daytona EV looks muscular and athletic. Strong body lines, wide fenders, large performance wheels, and a coupe-like roofline give the car an unmistakable American performance look. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar, aggressive rear diffuser, and sporty spoiler complete the design. These elements not only enhance the vehicle's appearance, but also improve high-speed stability and efficiency. Overall, the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV successfully blends classic Dodge muscle car DNA with futuristic styling, making it one of the most eye-catching electric performance cars on the road today. Interior technology step. Inside the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV, and you'll find a cabin that perfectly blends modern technology with classic American muscle car character. The driver-focused cockpit is designed for both comfort and performance. Premium materials, soft touch surfaces, available leather and suede upholstery, and carbon fiber accents create a sporty yet luxurious atmosphere. Behind the steering wheel is a fully digital instrument cluster that displays real-time information such as speed, battery level, power output, navigation, and driving modes. Drivers can customize the display to match their preferences and driving style. At the center of the dashboard sits a large, high-resolution touchscreen powered by Dodge's latest Uconnect infotainment system. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, voice commands, built-in navigation, and over-the-air software updates to keep the system current. The Charger Daytona EV also offers wireless smartphone charging, multiple USB-C ports, a premium Alpine or Harman Kardon audio system, dual-zone automatic climate control, and customizable ambient lighting for a more premium driving experience. To enhance performance, Dodge includes multiple drive modes such as Auto, Sport, Track, Drag, and Custom. These settings adjust the vehicle's power delivery, steering feel, regenerative braking, and traction control to suit different driving conditions. Overall, the interior of the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV combines advanced technology, everyday comfort, and performance-focused features, creating a driving environment that feels both futuristic and unmistakably Dodge performance. Now let's talk about the heart of the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV, its incredible electric performance. Unlike previous Charger models that relied on powerful V8 engines, the new Daytona is powered by Dodge's advanced 400-volt electric platform with a dual-motor all-wheel drive system. This setup delivers instant torque, incredible traction, and lightning-fast acceleration. The Charger Daytona Scat Pack produces up to 670 horsepower with the direct connection stage kit, making it one of the most powerful electric muscle cars ever built by Dodge. From the moment you press the accelerator, the response is immediate. Unlike traditional gasoline engines, the electric motors deliver maximum torque instantly, allowing the Charger Daytona EV to launch with incredible force. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.3 seconds, offering supercar-like performance while maintaining everyday drivability. To make the driving experience feel more like a traditional muscle car, Dodge has introduced the Fratsonic chambered exhaust system. Instead of remaining silent like most EVs, it produces a unique performance sound that gives the Charger Daytona its own exciting personality. Whether you're driving through the city or pushing it on the track, the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV delivers the thrilling performance expected from a modern American muscle car. Part 5. Range charging performance is important, but so is everyday usability. Fortunately, the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV offers a practical balance of driving range and charging convenience. The vehicle is equipped with a large high-voltage battery designed to provide enough range for daily commuting, weekend road trips, and spirited driving. Depending on the model, driving conditions, and wheel configuration, the Charger Daytona EV offers an estimated driving range of up to around 300 miles on a full charge. When it's time to recharge, the Charger supports DC fast charging, allowing the battery to recharge from 20% to 80% in approximately 30 minutes under ideal charging conditions. For home charging, owners can install a Level 2 charger, making overnight charging simple and convenient. The vehicle also supports public charging networks across the United States, giving drivers easy access to charging while traveling. Thanks to its impressive range, fast charging capability, and growing charging infrastructure, the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV is designed to fit comfortably into everyday life while delivering the exciting performance expected from the Dodge brand. Part 6. Driving experience. Driving the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV is a completely new experience, yet it still feels like a true Dodge muscle car. The instant torque from the dual electric motors delivers powerful acceleration the moment you press the accelerator. Whether you're driving in the city or merging onto the highway, the response is smooth, quick, and incredibly exciting. The standard all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip and stability, helping the car stay planted during hard acceleration and sharp cornering. The suspension is tuned to balance everyday comfort with high-performance handling, making the Charger enjoyable on both daily commutes and spirited drives. One of the most unique features is the Fratsonic chambered exhaust system, which gives the Charger Daytona EV a bold, performance-inspired sound. It creates an emotional driving experience that sets it apart from many other electric vehicles. Drivers can also choose from multiple drive modes, including Auto, Sport, Track, Drag, and Custom. These modes adjust the steering, throttle response, traction control, and regenerative braking to match different driving styles and road conditions. Overall, the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV delivers a confident, comfortable, and exciting driving experience, proving that the future of American muscle can still be thrilling. Part 7. Safety features. The 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV isn't just built for performance, it's also equipped with a wide range of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. Standard safety features include automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring. These systems help drivers stay aware of their surroundings and reduce the risk of accidents. The Charger also features rear cross-path detection, traffic sign recognition, rear parking sensors, and a 360-degree surround view camera, making parking and low-speed maneuvering much easier. For added confidence, Dodge has equipped the Charger Daytona EV with electronic stability control, traction control, advanced airbags, and a strong body structure designed to protect occupants in the event of a collision. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or cruising on the highway, these intelligent safety systems work together to provide greater confidence, convenience, and peace of mind. The combination of modern driver assistance technology and strong structural engineering makes the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV one of the safest and most advanced muscle cars Dodge has ever produced. Part 8. Price, Pros, Cons. Now let's talk about the price and whether the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV offers good value for money. The 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV starts at approximately $61,000 for the RT model, while the more powerful Scat Pack model starts at around $70,000, depending on optional packages and destination charges. For the price, buyers get impressive performance, standard all-wheel drive, modern technology, premium interior materials, and one of the boldest designs in the electric performance car segment. Pros: one of the biggest advantages of the Charger Daytona EV is its incredible instant acceleration and powerful dual-motor electric drivetrain. The aggressive exterior styling, spacious cabin, advanced technology, and fast charging capability make it a practical yet exciting performance car. Another standout feature is the unique Fratsonic chambered exhaust, which gives the car a distinctive sound unlike most electric vehicles. Cons, however, there are a few downsides. Some long-time Dodge fans may miss the legendary Hemi V8 engine and its iconic exhaust note. The driving range can also decrease during aggressive driving or in extremely cold weather. In addition, the higher performance Scat Pack model comes with a premium price compared to some competing electric vehicles. Overall, the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV offers an exciting mix of performance, technology, and everyday usability, making it a strong choice for drivers who are ready to embrace the future of American muscle. Part 9. Final Verdict. Outro. After exploring every aspect of the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV, it's clear that Dodge has successfully reinvented one of America's most iconic muscle cars for the electric era. With its bold design, powerful dual-motor all-wheel drive system, thrilling acceleration, advanced technology, and practical everyday features, the Charger Daytona EV proves that electric performance can still deliver the excitement that muscle car enthusiasts expect. While some fans may miss the sound and character of the classic Hemi V8, there's no denying that this new electric Charger represents a bold step into the future without forgetting its performance roots. If you're looking for a modern American performance car that combines speed, innovation, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona EV is definitely worth considering. So, what do you think about the all-new Dodge Charger Daytona EV? Would you choose this electric muscle car, or would you still prefer the classic V8-powered Charger? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to CarZone, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest car reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, drive safe and keep your passion for cars alive.